Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to add music to your videos without getting copyright claimed. You spend hours, maybe even days, perfecting an edit. You upload it, wait for the processing to finish, and then it hits you. A copyright claim. Within minutes, your video is either muted, blocked in certain countries, or worse, someone else is now making money from your hard work. It's frustrating, but it's also completely avoidable. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bulletproof your channel so this never happens again. To fix the problem, you have to understand the enemy. This is YouTube's Content ID system. It's an automated bot that scans every single second of your video against a massive database of copyrighted music. Even 5 seconds of a song can trigger it. And here's where most creators go wrong. They use a trending song from Spotify thinking fair use protects them. Well, it doesn't. If you don't own the license, you don't own the revenue. So, how do you stay safe? Option 1 is the YouTube Audio Library. It's the safest harbor you'll find because it's built by the platform itself. Just keep an eye on the licenses because some require attribution. And this means that you have to copy-paste specific text into your description. Option 2 is Creative Commons Music. Now this is where the artist gives you permission under certain conditions. These work, but let's be honest, the selection is often limited. The search tools are clunky and the quality is usually pretty basic. It gets the job done, but it rarely makes a video pop. Now, if you want to stop playing defense and start playing offense, you need a professional solution. And this is where Artlist comes in. The workflow here is built for creators who value their time. You search for a track by mood or theme, have a preview of the track, and hit download. But the real secret weapon is the clear list. You simply link your YouTube channel URL to your Artlist account. Now, when you drag that track into your timeline and upload it to YouTube, the handshake happens automatically. YouTube's bot sees the music, checks your license, and instantly clears the video. No claims, no emails, and no stress. You're not just buying music, you're buying insurance for your channel's revenue. Now, what if it's too late and you already have a claim? Well, don't panic. Go to your studio, look for the action button, select it, and hit dispute. If you used an Artlist track and forgot to link your channel, you can simply provide your license number or link the video in your Artlist dashboard and the claim usually vanishes within a few hours. But honestly, the easier path is to set up the clear list once and never deal with this screen again. Focus on the creative side and let the tools handle the legal side. So this is how you stop letting copyright claims kill your momentum. If you want to try Artlist, we've got the link in the description that gives you extra 2 months for free on any annual plan. It's the single best investment you can make for your workflow. Stop worrying about the bots and start focusing on making great content. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.